Q5 is how much?
C5 is 2 farad, sir. Q0 will be 4 coulomb.
Okay, okay, 2 farad, no? 2 into 2, 4 coulomb, yeah. And now the next part of the circuit will be this is the thing. So what about the charge, how to distribute charge? Here is a problem arises. Okay, I'll start like this: Q1 minus Q1, Q2, Q3. Sorry, Q2. Let this be Q3. Let's assume that there will be charge in all capacitors, and the final charge, this will be Q5 minus Q5. This is C5. I think there's the only thing which is available for us. Now charge of which plates, so charge of these plates should be conserved. You have, I think, many things, not only this. And similarly, charge of this plate. So you can even go for charge of these two plates should be conserved. Similarly, charge of these three plates should be conserved. And you can also fine. There's a thing. How many unknowns are there? Just look at once. 5 unknowns. Okay, let's see how we'll get this 5 unknowns. Loop equations. Anyway, we can write loop equation. Then conservation of charge principle. It's very easier. Don't bother like 5 unknowns what to do. Okay, let's do one thing. Red color plates we'll look at. What was the charge on the red color plates? So earlier, I think the red color plate, I have to show it here. Look at only that colors and write the equation. What was the earlier charge of red color plate at red color plate? There's the initial part. There's the thing. Red color plates. For red color, what is the equation I can write? Earlier charge was 0 plus 0. Finally, minus Q1 plus Q3. So therefore, Q1 equal to Q3. Then blue color plates will take it. Blue color plates. So what was the charge? 0 plus 0 minus Q2. Anything, I'll make it positive negative. It'll be easy for us. Minus Q2 plus Q4. So Q2 equal to Q4. This is the thing. Okay, next, let me go for yellow color plates. What was the earlier charge? Q0. Q0 plus 0, and finally it has become Q5 plus Q1 plus Q2. Q0 value we know 4. So 4 equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q5. Then what is this color? Anybody? Name of this color? Hasha. This is gray color. I'll write it. Gray color plates. What was the earlier charge? Minus Q0 plus 0 is equal to minus of Q5 minus Q4 minus Q3. This is again equal to 4 only. 4 equal to Q3 plus Okay, solve this. So these are the equations 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll write one loop equation. We'll write one loop equation and we'll get the required answer. So loop equation. Next, we'll write the loop equation. So loop equations will be, I'll start with Q1 by C1 minus Q2 by C2 minus Q4 by C4. You want to bring also Q5. If you want, you can write one more equation with any number. You can write it Q5 by C5. I think this will be sufficient. We can solve them. Solving all this, we'll get it. Then what will happen? We can go for each generated. What is each generated? Again, UI plus UF equal to H. UI is Q naught square by 2C5